Welcome everybody to a new Fortnite video. Today we're going to be talking about news and information about the cars and also some leaked skins. And yeah, before we begin, please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications on. And now let's jump into all the information about the cars and these leaked skins. Let's go. So today we've had the cars enter the game, and there's in total a taxi, a truck, like camper van, and the Ferrari, Tesla, whatever you guys want to call it. These cars, when you hit them, they do 100 damage. As you can see, this normal car just hit me and it did 90 damage. Luckily I had minis, and in that chest right there I found a big pot. But then when you drive the truck, it has 1,200 damage, and I think does 150 damage to the body to players. So these trucks are pretty hard. If you want to get some eliminations, I would recommend using this massive truck. And also try not to chock into it, because if not it will explode, but the truck can handle it. I'm squishing this guy right now. He has no chance versus me. Also be careful, because sometimes you can swap seats like this person did and he can't drive the car. And next we're going to be talking about the small little car, the normal ordinary car. This has in total I think 700 health. It's not very good, but if you want to just drive an ordinary car, I would recommend just driving this one, if you do find it, of course. Also, if you drive on grass or something, it'll go really slow, so I'd recommend going on the normal car area. Well, yeah, and also there's little fuel tanks what will heal your fuel 100%, so you can drive normally and not have to worry about your fuel. Also, next we're going to be talking about the camper vans. The camper vans have in total 1,000 health. Well, ain't that bad. I destroyed this man's car and killed him. I'm so sorry to my man. He just got controller played. But they dropped gas tanks when, I'm not sure if that was the players or the cars, but I'm not really sure. But those are kind of like the truck. They're very powerful, very strong. If you want to get an elimination, just use the truck or the camper van. And then for the last and not least, the Ferrari, the Lamborghini, whatever it's called, I don't care, I'm calling it Lamborghini. But this beast has 800 damage, 800 health. It goes really fast, extremely fast. I think it does like 100 damage to the players. So if there's players on whites without shield, you can get yourself an easy elimination with the Ferrari. As I said at the beginning, there was fuel tanks around the map, but there is also petrol areas, the gas stations. So if you want to get yourself some more fuel, just go to the gas stations. When you're in the car, it'll pop up on the map. And what I like about these cars is that you can make so much friends. As you can see, I'm in a solo game and I'm just having fun driving around, hitting people with my car, just having a load of fun in game. Of course, then a sweat came and killed us all, but let's ignore the sweat and let's just try and have fun with these cars. Alright, now I'm going to be talking about leaked skins, what have been found within these updates. As you can see, here are the 4 skins. There's so many more to come, and I'm going to be showing you all of them. The first one is called Mariana. It looks like a Halloween type of skin, and yeah. The second one is called Deo. We did actually see this skin in the live event, the live mini event of the spaceship, what was really cool. And that Deo was actually in the spaceship. And for our third one, we're going to be talking about Island Jonesy. If you don't know who Island Jonesy is and you're living under a rock, well, he's a person what was in a trailer, I think a fan made it. And as you can see, he's carrying the flare gun. And that's when the flare gun actually got like noticed, and players were like, oh my god, we're going to have a flare gun. And he breaks down the battle bus and yeah, gets a victory royale. Easy, quick, simple victory royale. This skin will be coming very soon. And also, if I'm missing any more leaked skins, here are all the skins on screen. And yeah, that's going to end today's video, everybody. If you have enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications on. Tomorrow I'll be talking about the week 8 challenges. And yeah, hope you've enjoyed.